SIMIX Cool Surface Technology. Ceramic Clear Coat. SIMIX CST improves the ability of any new or old unit to produce dramatically colder and fresher air. Waffle House operates 24/7, giving their 4-5-ton AC units a constant workout. After they cleaned and coated all condenser and evaporator coils, these older units produced dramatically colder air. Run times were reduced by over 50%, slashing energy use while also improving air quality. SIMIX CST coats the entire unit including cabinet interior and exterior, fan blades, condensing, evaporator and heat exchange coils. Prevents salt damage. Lowers your energy bill. Significantly improves airflow. Coating the evaporator creates a permanent, safe high pH that is hostile to viruses and bacteria including Legionella. Water-based zero volatile organic compounds, no odor. Prevents airborne salt corrosion. Stops cabinet paint fading and dog urine damage. SIMIX AC ceramic coating makes it easier for the unit to produce colder air. Learn more at simixusa.com.